Hey business owners, do you know which form of marketing is growing the most and is in the highest demand right now? I'll give you a hint. You're looking at it. It's video. Here are 60 seconds of staggering video statistics. By 2019, almost 80% of all consumed content online will be video. More than 500 million hours of videos are watched on YouTube every day. YouTube has over 1 billion users, which is almost 1/3 of the total internet users. Viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video, compared to just 10% when they're reading it in text. Digital marketing expert James McQuivey estimates that a single minute of video content is the equivalent of 1.8 million words. When people go online, they spend 1/3 of their time watching videos. And 64% of customers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video about it. 90% of customers report that product videos help them make the purchasing decision. 87% of online marketers are currently using video content in their digital marketing strategies. Time to start hitting the record button, don't you think? At Marketing Videos Club, we make it easy and exciting and affordable to produce videos. So click to learn more.